Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing how to make Asafoetida powder at home. Asafoetida is also known as Hing or Kayam in Malayalam. This is how raw Asafoetida looks like. It is slightly soft when it is in raw form, but after some time, that is when it comes in contact with air, even if you store it in an airtight glass container, it will start to get very gummy like, and hence it will be very difficult to handle it. So today I'm going to show you how I make Asafoetida powder at home. Asafoetida helps with digestion and is a must in many Indian curries. Store-bought Asafoetida powder may be adulterated and may contain only just 30% of Asafoetida. So it's always ideal to buy in raw form and powder at home. As you can see, it's very soft and gummy like. So I'm just spreading out with my hand as much as I can. I'm heating my cast iron tawa. This is my roti tawa, and I'm placing the Asafoetida on top of it. I'm basically going to heat or lightly roast the Asafoetida. Flip it over, and while it is getting heated up, lightly press it down. Flip it over on and off, press it down like this. As it starts to get heated up, it will start to spread out and it will be more easy to handle as well. So make sure you press it down like this. And then I'm lightly heating up the sides as well. You can also press down with the help of a katori. Flip it over and press down. Now the outside portion has roasted well, but we need to make sure that the insides also has roasted well. Only then you can powder this. Flipping it over again, pressing down with a katori. So I'm going to turn off the flame and transfer to a plate or your work surface from the tawa and allow it to cool down completely. And once it has cooled down completely, break it into small pieces. And you can see that, like I mentioned before, the insides needs to be roasted. So for that, you need to break it into small pieces. You can see that the insides needs to be roasted little more, and place all this on the hot tawa again. I have heated my tawa again and I'm placing all the broken pieces on top, and with a thong just spread it out. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. Cast iron tawa is heavy bottomed and hence it retains more heat. So you need to roast it again on both sides. This is to make sure that the insides also roast really well. Only then it will stay in powder form after you powder it. And make sure you turn it over. And once both sides are roasted really well, turn off the flame and transfer it to a plate or to the work surface and allow it to cool down completely. So because this has been broken into small pieces, you can be very sure that the insides also has been roasted really well. And once it has cooled down completely, you just need to powder it. Okay, now it has cooled down completely. So I'm transferring it to my small chutney grinder. And I'm going to grind this to a fine powder. And once ground, you can see how finely it has ground. You can store this in an airtight glass container and use 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon or as per your desired taste in curries. Store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for many months. So guys, do try this method and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.